To get everything started, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating an account with FreeTaxUSA. The link you should use is right below this video. And again, I'm not sponsored. They're not paying me to say this, mostly because their service is free. I just think it's a really good software to use, and it's what I've used personally with the majority of my clients. That said, let's hop straight into the tutorial and get you guys set up. All right, so the process of making an account with FreeTaxUSA is actually very easy. So we will go to FreeTaxUSA.com, which I will link below the video in the school lesson. You'll be presented with this screen right here. We'll go to the top right corner. We'll hit sign in to 2024 or whatever year that you are looking to do. And if you already have an account, you are more than welcome to sign in with your username and password right here. But otherwise, you will go to create a new account right here. Now, quick note on the email address section right here. Make sure you are using your personal email address. Do not use your business email address, just because the business taxes that we are going to be doing are going to be a part of your personal income tax return. You and the business are one thing for now. So you definitely want to make sure that you will always have access to all of your records and all of your tax returns from previous years on the personal side. So make sure you are using your personal email address here. Otherwise, you'll just come up with a username, you'll put in a password, and you'll hit create new account. So once you have created your FreeTaxUSA account, you will be presented with this screen right here. We will hit let's go. You will say, how did we file our 2023 taxes right here? For me, I used FreeTaxUSA. You can choose whichever option applies to you. And this is where we begin to put in our personal information, which we will get into in the next video. And that's it. You've successfully created an account with FreeTaxUSA. Hopefully you used your personal email instead of your business email. Again, not a requirement, just something I've learned the hard way. If you use your personal email, you will have access to it forever. You might rebrand, you might do some other stuff, you might lose access to your business email, and you always want to have access to your taxes. With all that said, in the next lesson, I'm going to walk you through how to actually start your tax return and start putting in your personal information so we can get everything all set up. And that way we can just throw the numbers in, check things over, and be done. I'll see you then.